Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is God Give Creativity. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transform your straight hair to a bouncy coily hair. If this is what you're interested in watching, please watch to the end, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your family and friends. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. Okay guys, all the items used will be down in the description box. It's a very detailed video, sure you understand it. Okay guys, we are done with the rolling of the hair. It's time to put hot water on it. Make sure the hot water you are using is very hot. If not very hot water, it won't give you the deep wave you are looking for. And make sure the hot water covers every strand of the rollers. Yes, okay, I have to explain this part very well. You can see the background is different. The customer was making this wig for want to use it for the week. So I have to bring it home because I make this wig over the weekend and allow it to dry. So you can see I'm unraveling it carefully and very gentle. So make sure you unravel carefully.